Every angle screams power. From its 6x6 off-road chassis to the reinforced panels, this machine is adventure-ready without sacrificing luxury.
This is not a motorhome, this is a rolling empire. What you're looking at right now is the 2026 Caterpillar double-decker 6x6 motorhome, a machine that costs $6 million, built on raw industrial power, and designed for people who don't believe in limits. From the very first glance, this thing dominates the room. That bold cat yellow paint, massive proportions, and towering double-deck structure instantly tell you one thing: this vehicle does not follow rules, it creates them. The front design is brutally aggressive. That heavy-duty Caterpillar grille, sharp LED headlights, reinforced steel bumper, and industrial winch make it clear this motorhome is ready for war against nature. Snow, desert, mountains, mud, it doesn't care. Underneath, this beast sits on a true 6x6 off-road chassis, 3 axles, 6 massive all-terrain tires, extreme ground clearance. Military-grade suspension. This isn't made for highways only, this is built to go where roads end. As we move along the side, the scale becomes even more insane. You're looking at a double-decker motorhome, meaning 2 full levels of living space. Panoramic tinted windows stretch across both floors, giving you unreal views whether you're parked in the Alps or deep in the Arctic. Hidden within the body are massive storage compartments, fuel tanks for long expeditions, water systems, power units, and off-grid technology that allows this machine to survive weeks without civilization. Now let's step inside. The driver cockpit feels more like a command center than a cabin. A fully digital dashboard, industrial CAT controls, premium leather seating, and advanced driving assistance systems surround the driver. From here, you don't just drive, you command. Everything is designed for long-distance endurance and extreme terrain control. You feel power, you feel authority. Behind the cockpit, the lower deck opens into pure luxury. A spacious lounge with premium materials, ambient lighting, and panoramic windows that flood the interior with natural light. This is where industrial toughness meets 5-star comfort. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliances, custom cabinetry, refrigeration units, and enough storage to support long off-grid living. This isn't camping, this is luxury survival. Now let's head upstairs. The upper deck is where this motorhome truly separates itself from anything else on the planet. A full-size master bedroom with a large bed, designer finishes, soft lighting, and panoramic views that make hotels feel pointless. Wake up in the middle of snow-covered mountains. Sleep under the stars in complete silence. This is freedom at its highest level. The bathroom is equally insane: premium fixtures, modern design, full shower, and hotel-level comfort, all built inside a vehicle that can drive through blizzards. And yes, this thing moves. Watch it in motion through snow, those massive tires biting into ice, the suspension flexing effortlessly, the engine pushing thousands of kilograms forward like it's nothing. Caterpillar power is all about reliability and brute strength, and this motorhome carries that DNA perfectly. Wherever you point it, it goes. This isn't built for everyone. This is built for explorers, billionaires, and people who refuse to compromise. The 2026 Caterpillar double-decker 6x6 motorhome isn't just expensive, it's a statement. A statement that says comfort doesn't need roads, luxury doesn't need hotels, and freedom doesn't have boundaries. $6 million, 2 floors, 6 wheels, 0 limits.